Hi guys, welcome to the Delfin English School competition about the Primavera Sound Festival.
Here we have the 45 students who signed up for the website and social media competition.
And here we have Matteo and Alessia, students from the school, as witnesses.
So we're going to start cutting them now to find out who are the winners. Let's do it.
We are done, so now we are putting all the papers in the hat.
Yeah.
So the first winner is gonna be announced in 2 seconds.
Who's that?
Natali Pimentel Lima.
Can you show it in the camera, please? Good.
Congratulations.
And now, I'm gonna... Second winner.
Emerson Tadeus dos Santos Rocha.
Woo!
Congrats to them.
Good.
Yay.
And now we're gonna take 2 more just in case they are not coming or something is wrong, okay? So you can...
Okay, I'll take one.
You take one.
Hyuntal Lim. Soup number 1.
And the second one will be
Wait, 1 second. Okay.
Antonio Moro. Mauro, I don't know.
Good. So the competition is done. Do you want to say anything?
Thank you everybody for entering the competition.
See
Good
you
luck
in
next time.
Barcelona.
See
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye.